Sometimes what happens when we open so many application in our computer may hang. Okay, so what happens, we see that our system is not responding. So how can we solve this problem? This problem can be solved by increasing the virtual memory of computer. If you don't want to install external RAM, or if you don't want to upgrade your processor, that can be solved without any cost, and you can increase your virtual memory. Okay, so on virtual memory I have already made a video. You can increase the virtual memory by your hard drive also, but today I'll tell you how can you increase your virtual memory with the help of your pen drive. Welcome everyone on my YouTube channel Knowledge Circle, and I am Vinay. So let's see how can we make a pen drive as a RAM. So let's click on this PC icon. All the drives will be displayed there. As you can see at the bottom, pen drive is there. To create pen drive as RAM, we have to right click and we have to select the properties option. When we select the properties option, the second last tab of the property is ready boost. From here we have to create virtual memory of our pen drive. So you can see that there are so many options. We have to click on the third radio button, that is use this device. So we will allow our device to be used as virtual RAM. As you can see that you can use your pen drive maximum up to 4 GB as virtual RAM. So what we have to do after that, there is a slider. From that you can increase and decrease the virtual memory, how much memory of your pen drive you want to allocate. Click on OK button. It will take few moments, and within few moments you will see that your pen drive has been allocated, the part of the pen drive has been allocated as virtual memory. You can see that the capacity of the pen drive is 8 GB, but only 3.44 GB is available for storing other data. It means that rest of the memory is allocated for virtual memory. So in this way you can increase the performance of your computer by allocating the memory of pen drive. Like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.